Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create subtitles for your YouTube video. So here, first of all, you would like to go and open your browser you could be possibly using. So for me, I already have my browser open. Now I'll just go into the URL, type youtube.com and hit the enter button. So of course here all you need to do, just go to your icon at the top right corner and click on that. Then all you need to do, just go and click at your channel here, and that will actually takes you into your channel. So here you would like to go and click add videos, and here you will actually find the videos uploaded on your channel. So here just click at one of your videos. Of course, if it's a short or it's a normal video. So for me, I'm just gonna click on a normal video, then I'm gonna click add the edit video option. So here I actually, if I scroll down a bit, I'll have here an option called subtitles. So first of all, I would like to select the video language before adding subtitles. So here, so how to do that is simply by scrolling down. Of course, you will have this option show more. Click on that, then scroll down. You will find here language and caption certification, video language. So maybe for me, I'm just going to do like, as an example, let me just Arabic as an example, of course. And now I would like to go to the subtitles again. Then as you can see here, you can start actually typing your subtitles. So of course you can upload a file or type manually. So all I said basically was test. So click at another, maybe add caption if you want. So as you can see here, that will actually appear here as you can see there. So after adding your subtitles, all you need to do, just click at done, and you will be actually good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.